Hi everybody, my name is Markus. Welcome here at Vorsteiner. This is our 2022 G63 AMG with our wide body aero and wheel program. The kit includes our front grille, the front lip which you can see underneath, the rear diffuser and our 4 Fender Flares for this car. And as an add-on or option, we have the carbon fiber bonnet and the roof spoiler as well. So this is our front grille. We have 2 big cutouts here on this side, and then we have a little detail. You can come a little closer and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cutouts underneath. Some guys would like to have a mesh behind, but it's up to you. We have our 4 Fender Flares on the front. You can see how wide they are, that we can fit our 24 by 10.5 VMP 308 forge wheel set. We have wonderful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cutouts made. Come on a little closer, I show you the mesh behind where the airflow can go through. And they fit perfectly here into the front lip and of course into the factory side skirts. This is our roof spoiler. It's shaped like a bird wing and it's designed to follow the body lines of the car. This is our rear diffuser, and the rear diffuser really adapts perfect to the body of the G63 and also to the Fender Flares over here. This is our carbon fiber bonnet. We have 5 cutouts each side. We have a big cutout over here for heat ventilation, and the whole piece fits the body really perfectly. Thank you for watching the G63 AMG wide body aero and wheel program. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more.